I was driving down the road, feeling mighty fine. Sun was shining bright, not a worry on my mind. Then my tire hit a crater like a meteor strike. Now my car's got a limp and I'm riding a bike. Oh, you sneaky little dip in the street. Why you gotta jump up and eat my suspension piece? Pothole, you came out of nowhere, shook my drink, now it's all over me. Pothole, thought the road was my friend, now I'm swerving left and right till the bitter end. Council said they'd fix it back in 23. Put a cone on top and said looks good to me. Now it's got a name and a postcode too. Pretty sure it waved as I bounced right through. Oh, you villain on the tarmac, see? Got more depth than my personality. Pothole, you menace to wheels, got me questioning all of my life choices for real. Pothole, you win once again, guess I'll never trust a quiet road, my friend. I tried to dodge you, but you multiplied. There's a whole family stretching mile wide. Left one, right one, oh what a show. It's like a trap set up by the road itself, bro. Potholes, you're taking over town. Every bump just tries to take me down. Potholes, I surrender today. Take my eye, Lord, if I'm walking away. If you need me, I'll be driving real slow, or just moving somewhere